Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to delete your browsing history from the last week in Google Chrome on your PC. This is especially useful for maintaining your privacy and ensuring a clean browsing experience. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. Here, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and click on History, and then click on History again from the submenu that appears. This action will take you to a new tab displaying all of your browsing history. Now, look at the left side menu of the History tab. You will see an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option to proceed. A new window will pop up, allowing you to customize what you want to delete. Make sure to check the box next to Browsing History. This ensures that only your browsing history is selected for deletion. Next, you need to set the time range for deletion. Click on the drop-down menu and select Last 7 days. This choice will ensure that only the browsing data from the past week is removed. Finally, after confirming that everything is set correctly, click on the Delete Data button. This action will permanently erase your browsing history from the last week. And there you have it. Following these steps will help keep your online activities private and your browser running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life. Thank you for watching.